Now this is pretty cool. This is the first Civivi kitchen knife that I've seen. I guess it's called the Cibus. Very neat. Let's open it up and take a look at it. We've got some warranty information here. We've got the knife itself in a nice paper and cardboard container. I'll pull the plastic off here. We've got a protector up front, another one for the heel. That is a nice looking knife. Very sleek design. I like that it has sort of a double grind on the back here. Full tang. Looks like these handles are made out of G10. Kind of a black G10. Has a nice design to it. Pretty easy to hold on to. Great shape. Let's try taking a chop out of this apple. Oh yeah, right through it. Very easy slice. Effortless. It's a nice grind. Real easy to get a nice thin piece. This will fit into your cutting boards and your cutting blocks. Very nice knife from Civivi. Hope this helps.